Frustrated by the mmd4mecanim.dll error causing Unity MMD for Mecanim Plugin to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. I've linked the primary utility for mmd4mecanim in the description to help you skip the manual fix. This is the mmd4mecanim, a specialized library for the Unity engine that allows for the import and animation of miku dance, MMD, models within Unity's Mecanim system. It is a mandatory requirement for VTubing software and specialized indie games. If missing, the software will fail to load 3D character models, citing a plugin initialization failure. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. mmd4mecanim acts as a vital connection for Unity, mmd4mecanim plugin operations, and downloading a fresh installer for the program, showing the error is the only way to repair the damaged binaries found in the app folder. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the mmd4mecanim file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Replacing mmd4mecanim without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing mmd4mecanim. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including mmd4mecanim dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.